Welcome to Math Challenge 430, 430, Math Challenge 430. We have been given a figure and a part of the figure has been shaded. We have to find the shaded area. You can see a rectangle, and from the midpoint of the rectangle, we are joining one of the vertices. And this part, the part which is not the triangle, other than the triangle, the part is shaded, the angle is given, and we are also given that the area of the, sorry, not the area, the length of this line which is drawn from the vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side, the length is 15 units. And we have to find the area. Math Challenge 430 for all quantitative and numerical aptitude tests. Math is where beauty, logic, and simplicity converge into a passion. So let us see how to solve this problem. Let the height of the rectangle be x. The height of the rectangle is x and the width is 2y, so that when you take the midpoint, each of the half will be y. The height of the rectangle is taken as x and the length, total length is 2y divided into two equal segments of y units each. So height is x and the width is y plus y. Now let us see how to solve it. Now consider the unshaded white. We are taking only the right angle triangle, the white, not the shaded part, the white right angle triangle. So the hypotenuse is 15 units, the altitude is x, and the base is y. Take only the white right angle triangle. So we get altitude x, base y, and the hypotenuse 15. And the angle is 30. So sine of 30, that is 1 by 2. The value for sine 30 is 1 by 2. That is altitude by hypotenuse, that is x by 15. So x by 15 is 1 by 2. So x will be equal to 15 by 2, that is 7.5 units. Sine 30, 1 by 2, which is x by 15. So the value of x is 7.5. Cos 30, which is base by hypotenuse, and the value for cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2 cos 30 is y by 15. So y we are getting 15 root 3 by 2. So the value of x we are getting 15 by 2 or 7.5, and the value of y we are getting 15 root 3 by 2. Considering this right angle triangle, the white unshaded part, the altitude x, the base y, and the hypotenuse 15. So sine 30 half, altitude by hypotenuse, cos 30 root 3 by 2, base by hypotenuse. So we get x as 7.5 and y as 15 root 3 by 2. We have got sine 30 and cos 30. So x is 7.5, y is 15 root 3 by 2. Now 2y, that is the full width. The full width will be double of this value, y equal to 15 root 3 by 2. So if you multiply by 2, 2y, that is the full width, that will be 15 root 3. And putting root 3 equal to 1.732, we get approximately 26. So 26 is the value of the full width of the rectangle. Now the shaded part is a trapezium. Shaded part is a trapezium with one pair of parallel sides. So area of the trapezium is given by 0.5 into sum of parallel sides, that is 26 plus 13 and into 7.5. Right? The sum of the parallel sides 26 plus 13 and the altitude, the perpendicular distance between the two parallel lines, 7.5. So 0.5 into 26 plus 13 into 7.5, which gives you 146.25 is the area for the shaded part, the trapezium, the shaded part is 146.25 square units. We took the value of y, that is half of the bottom. So the full bottom, the full width would be 26. So the top would be 26, but the bottom is 13. We are taking only the half. So 26 plus 13, that half of that, that's the area of the trapezium. Half of 26 plus 13 multiplied by the altitude, that is the perpendicular distance between the parallel lines, 7.5. So we are getting 146.25 square units.
Was that interesting? If you have any other method, we would love to learn from you. We shall come back with more interesting videos. Like, share the videos, and subscribe to our channel if you are a math lover. Till then, goodbye.